Hello students, this is Swati Deshpande teacher. Students, I hope you all are studying well. Today we will be learning very important topic. The name of that topic is code. Okay, code is basically a very long chapter. It has 5 different types of codes. Today we will be concentrating on first 3, that is codes for letters, digits for letters and symbols for letters. और बाकी जो बचेंगे that I will cover in next video. Otherwise this video will be too long. Okay. Now coming to the topic, what do you mean by code? Code means code language. In case we don't want anybody to know what we are talking or writing, we convert that regular normal sentence into a code language so that the other person will not be in a position to interpret it or understand it. Okay, so code is conversion of the original language into some different language. That different language or code language differs from person to person or situation to situation. Here in this chapter, our main job is to identify the code language given to us in the form of a question, right? Every question in code will have different way of coding or changing the original thing into a code language. Okay, when we will solve, you will enjoy it and you will understand it. You should solve as many problems as you can so that you come across different methods of coding. Okay, so let's proceed. First we will do letters for letters. Students, the questions will appear on the screen. In some of the questions even I will give you the options, okay, whenever needed. Let's go ahead with the first question. In a code, the word dawn is written as mud, CAP as OEC and PUT as SAP, that is SAP. How will you write the word SIM in this code? Students, whatever information has been provided to you in the question is the helping hand. You don't have to borrow anything from anywhere. Everything is available. How are they writing DON? They are writing it as MUD. Sometimes this may not make any sense. Now here it is, but in some questions this may be something different, meaningless thing, but it is a code. So don't worry about meaning. This is not English class, right? CAP is, that's why I am not saying cap. CAP is OEC. Then PUT is SAP. How will you write SIM? When you try to find out the actual code, from here how they have converted this? How have they got this from this? If you get the answer for this, job of converting this into answer will be very easy. See, first thing is observe the letters. DON. They have converted into a code MUD. How? Can you think of anything? See students, first letter if you see is a vowel and बाकी जो दो है they are consonants. D, first letter they are just picking it up and putting it last. O के बाद see we have vowels A, E, I, O and U. Everybody, each one of you knows this, right? So O के बाद कौन सा आता है? U. So they have taken the next vowel. not next letter, mind you, next vowel. Okay, then N they should have taken first. D was last, so N should have come first, but they have not written here N, they have written M. What does it mean? They are taking a letter prior to this, before this. So N के पहले क्या आता है? M. So we need to see whether it is the same thing for CAP. C, take it, put it last. Yes, correct. A के बाद दूसरा कौन सा आता है? नेक्स्ट वाला वॉवल E. Yes. P, instead of bringing P before, they are bringing a letter before P, that is O, and they have brought it in the first place, right? We need to confirm again with this. It should be okay for all three, then only we can apply it here. P last में जाएगा. Yes. U के बाद, U being the last vowel, again it will start from here. So U के बाद again A आएगा. So A. T के पहले क्या आता है? P. Correct. So our job is very simple. S will go last. I के बाद क्या आएगा? O. M के पहले क्या आता है? L. So our answer is LOS. It has got no meaning. This has got no meaning. Doesn't matter. It's a conversion in some method. Same method is applied here. So we are supposed to apply the same method here. Okay. So our answer is LOS. Students, let's go ahead. In a code, CAR is equal to XYZ, TAN is equal to ZUV, COT is equal to WYV. The letters in the word and its code may not be in the same order. How will you write TAR in this code? Okay, let's go ahead. Whatever information has been provided to you, first write it down and observe. What have they given us? CAR is equal to X, Y, Z, right? उसके बाद आता है TAN is equal to ZUV. Then आता है COT is WYV, right? And what have they asked us to convert? This. First we need to find out the code language. Now here letters are totally different. So we cannot apply the rule which we used in the previous example, right? Because here the letters are totally different in the original language and the code language. Then what? Another method number 2. Find out the common ones. Okay, ये दोनों में क्या common है? A. So cancel A. Write here A. Then इधर क्या common है? Z. So A must be equal to Z in the code language. Now see common in this. T. V. So T must be equal to V. Then again first and last. C. Y. So C must be equal to Y. See, you need not see this first. You can take any pair first. That is not going to affect your final answer. Okay. So here only R is left and X. So R must be equal to X. N must be equal to U. N अकेला बचा है, U अकेला बचा है इधर. Okay. So O is equal to W. TAR. Very easy now. Now anybody can tell. T क्या है? V. A Z. R X. If this same option has been given, yes, you have to choose V, Z and X. But option is given like this. Or anything pertaining to this the option which has all three letters. Then choose that. If this is not given, if what I am trying to tell you is that in the same order, if you do not find any option, choose the option with these 3 letters, even though they are in different order. Okay, other options will not have all these 3 letters. There will be only one. That will be your answer, because in the question they have mentioned. They may not be in the same order, right? So remember this. Don't get confused. Don't be puzzled. Why? Because the same option is not given. Then I must have done something wrong. No. You see the letters and those alphabets जिधर है वो option choose करो. So simple, isn't it? Let's go ahead. In a code, CAT is equal to DES, PIN is equal to QOM, RED is equal to SIC. How will you write FOG in this code? Again, whatever has been given to us, we are supposed to write. Okay, in the rough work. This is going to be a part of your rough work during the exam. Yeah? But while practicing, you need to be little more systematic so that you become expert, and at the time of examination, you don't waste so much time, right? CAT is equal to DES. PIN is equal to QOM. RED is equal to SIC. How will you write FOG or FOG? Observe. It is somewhat similar to our first question. See, whenever vowels are there, you need to be little more alert कि vowel का vowel से ही रिश्ता है क्या, कि vowel का consonant से भी है. You need to be little more careful, right? Now we'll see C का क्या हुआ है. C का next letter लिया है D, T का previous letter लिया है S, और A का A E I O U. So A का next vowel लिया है. So पहले का next letter, second का next vowel, and last का previous letter. See, code is going to be different for each new question. They are not going to ask similar questions. See, code के कितने questions आएंगे? 2 at the most 3, but all 3 will be different. Okay? So otherwise कुछ फायदा नहीं है कि नहीं? They want to test your intelligence, isn't it? Okay. So P के बाद आता है Q, I के बाद कौन सा वोवल आता है? O. Yes. N के पहले का M. Same way here. R के बाद S, E के बाद I, D के पहले का. ये दोनों बात कहे तो don't just go with the same trend. Okay? Here it is before. Last का before है. So F के बाद G, O के बाद U, G के पहले. So this is going to be your answer. GUF. Okay, students? Okay. One more interesting sum. Sum will appear on the screen. In a code, FAT is equal to XYZ, NOT is equal to YUV, FOR is equal to VWX. How will you write the word fort, F-O-R-T, in this code? See students, we are giving scholarship, isn't it? We should act as a scholar. And what do scholars do? In minimum efforts, maximum results. Right? So, why I am saying this, you will know while solving this sum. I am just writing whatever has been provided to us and then we will proceed. In earlier sums, I told you, you need to find out the common. इधर common लग रहे हैं, TT common है, then इधर FF common है. Yes, there are common letters, but don't go just blindly and find out the common letters. Here, observation of the letters is very important from the point of view of saving of time. I always tell you, time is a crucial, very very important thing. It is a scarce resource. What do you mean by that? That is, time is less and work we have to do is more. So we need to save as much time as we can. Okay. So now here what? Keep your eye on what they are asking. They are asking us to find out FORT, right? So FORT मुझे मालूम होना चाहिए. But here FOR is already given. Why will I find out F when FOR is given? It is ready-made given. So make use of it. Okay. So FOR क्या है? VWX. Now my job is only limited to finding out of this thing, letter for T. T is here. T and YY. So T is equal to Y. So my answer should be this. But again, if you do not have this same option, then choose the option where you will find one X, one V, one Y, one W, whatever. All these four, ये चार letters जिसमें है, that option is going to be your correct option. Okay. If the same order is not there, if it is there, yes, you have to choose that. But if it is not there, then you can choose the option where you have all these all four letters, right? Okay, let's go ahead. Students, now we are going to other type of code, that is digits for letters. It is almost similar. Okay, you will understand once we start solving the sums. So let's go ahead. First sum will appear on your screen. In a code, TIN is equal to 103, CAD is equal to 427 and NAM is equal to 175. The order of the letters in a word and digits in its corresponding number may not be the same. How will you write the word MINT in this code? Okay. पहले लिखेंगे जो दिया है. CAD is equal to 427. NAM is equal to 175. Then how will you write the word MINT? ओके, फर्स्ट देखो इमीडिएटली इसमें का कुछ मिल रहा है इसमें, तो देखो ऐसा कुछ है डायरेक्टली जैसे पहले में FORT में FOR मिला था, नहीं मिल रहा है. ओके, देन वी विल फाइंड आउट दी कॉमन वंस. सी हियर प्रोसीजर इज सेम, लेटर फॉर लेटर एंड डिजिट्स फॉर लेटर. द प्रोसीजर और द मेथड ऑफ अराइविंग एट करेक्ट आंसर इज सेम. कॉमन निकालना है. ओके, सो लेट्स गो अहेड. इसमें कॉमन किसमें निकालेंगे? ओके, n कॉमन है ये दोनों में, तो ये क्या है? 1. सो n मस्ट बी इक्वल टू 1. ओके, देन व्हाट? a कॉमन है इधर एंड 7. सो a इज इक्वल टू 7. इधर 5 अकेला है, m अकेला है, so m must be equal to 5. Okay, now be careful. Now we don't find anything common, उसके बाद कुछ कॉमन नहीं निकल रहा है तो व्हाट, वी डोंट हैव टू सॉल्व दिस, नो, देयर हैज टू बी समथिंग. ऑब्जर्व, एम तो मिला 5, INT and TIN, aren't they same? Same letters. Order is different, I agree. Order is different. Not necessarily T 1 है, हम लोगों ने फाइंड आउट किया है N is 1. So we don't know I 0 है कि 3 है, we don't know, but उसमें से एक तो I है, एक T है, एक N है. That is what we want. So 1 0 3 लिख देंगे. Same way, if you do not have any option with this order, even this order we don't know whether it is correct because T I का मालूम नहीं हमें, right? So your job is to find out the option which will have these 4 numbers in any order. Any order will do because they have mentioned the order may not be same. Correct student? Isn't it interesting? See, कोड फाइंड आउट करने में जो आनंद मिलता है ना, दैट इज आहा, मजा आता है. ट्राई करो बच्चों लोग, जितना प्रैक्टिस करोगे उतना ज्यादा एंजॉय करोगे, बिलीव मी. लेट्स गो अहेड. इन अ कोड A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 4, how will you write the word OF in this code? Okay, very interesting. Students, you must have started practicing IT subject. Definitely, I know that. So you must have observed they write like this: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, like that up to Y. Z is not there. Group of 5, 5. So remember, उसका इसका सीरियल नंबर 1 है, इसका 2 है, इसका 3 है. Like that we have 25 up to Y. Okay. So in many questions you have to make use of this letters and their serial numbers. Okay. Why I am telling you this, you will know now. A, how much they are saying? 2. B, 3. C, 4. So how will you write OF? In reality or actually, A का serial number should have been 1, but they are adding 1 to it and they are making it 2. B का क्या होना चाहिए? Actually 2, but they are adding again 1, so 3. C का क्या होना चाहिए? 3, they are again adding 1, so 4. So O का क्या होना चाहिए? O is 15 and F is 6. So we should add 1, add 1. So our code must be 16 and 7. O का 16, there will be one of the option as 156 because O का 15 है, F का 6 है. Many students will forget to add 1. But my students, no, they are very smart, so they will always keep an eye on this 1 and they will add it and they will arrive at 167. Okay, very good. Let's go ahead. In a code, PEN is equal to 987, NOR is equal to 618, HER is equal to 762. The order of letters and the corresponding digits may not be the same. How will you write the word HOP in this code? Students, I expect you to pause the video, solve this sum, common निकालो और देखो, find out the value or the code for each letter and arrive at the answer. I will give you 2 minutes. Your time starts now. Okay students, time up. Okay, now I am sure most of you must have got the correct answer, and even though you may not have understood this, don't worry, I am going to solve it. You need to check whatever you have done wrong with my answer or rather I will check my answer with your correct answer, whichever way. Okay, let's go ahead. Find out करना है common. So इधर n common है, 8 common है. So n is equal to 8, right? ये दोनों का देखेंगे. r common है 6. So r must be equal to 6. अभी ये दोनों का e common है 7. E is equal to 7. इधर P is alone, 9 is alone. So P must be equal to 9. O alone, 1 alone. So O is equal to 1. H 2. We have got the code for all the letters. Now job is very simple. 2, 1, 9. Here again I want to tell you 219 may not be as one of the option. Don't think that you have done something wrong. If there is 912, choose that, because they have given in the question the order may not be same. Okay, but there has to be 2, 1 and 9 in those 3 digits. Okay, isn't it interesting? Okay, चलो आगे बढ़े. Students, now we are going to start the third type, that is symbols for letters. See, even though they are letter for letters, symbol for letter, digits for letter, the method is going to be same. ऐसे ही common निकालना है. Most of the things are going to be like this, or what we have discussed so far. Okay. Other two which I will be covering in my next video, they are a bit different. So I am making a different video for it. Okay. Let's go ahead. Here you need to read the question from your screen on your own. Okay, पढ़ के हो गया? Now I am writing what they have given us. What have they given? FROM is what? Box and triangle, right? Okay. Then the road, ROAD, is equal to circle and diamond. Classmate is equal to plus and minus. How will you write roommate? Many students must have realized कि mate तो दोबारा आया है पापा. ये room का क्या है? There has to be some way, no? Observe. You all are very clever. Observe. RO and OM. RO is here, OM is here. So for 4 letters they have used this. So FR must be this and OM must be triangle. RO must be circle and AD must be diamond. So we are making use of whatever we want. RO is what? Circle. OM is what? Triangle. And mate. Class must be plus, mate must be minus. So this is our answer. Very, very easy. Student, it is very, very easy. You need to observe. Next one, read the question which will appear on your screen. Okay students, here they have given peacock this, tailless this, and they are asking us to find out cocktail. Okay, so these are compound words which you have learnt in English, right? P and cock, tail and less. And cock and tail. So make use of it. Cock means what? So this P must be this circle and cock must be darkened circle. Tail must be this square, less must be this square. सो कॉक में क्या आने वाला है? दिस. और टेल में पहला वाला. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी आवर आंसर. बट हियर द ऑर्डर मैटर्स. इफ यू चूज स्क्वायर पहला और ये डार्क सर्कल लेटर, गॉन, मार्क्स आर गॉन. हियर ऑर्डर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, बिकॉज कॉक का मीनिंग और टेल का मीनिंग जो है वो सेम ऑर्डर में आना जरूरी है. सो यू हैव टू चूज, मस्ट चूज दिस ऑप्शन, राइट? ओके. नेक्स्ट sum will appear on your screen. Read that sum. What have they given us? Okay students, here also how we have done it for letters, digits for letters, in the same way we are going to do this for symbols for letters. Okay, common find out करना है. PP common है, so P is equal to this. Then T common, this, so T must be equal to asterisk. Then E again here, so square, E must be equal to square. So obviously N is triangle, O is star, and G अकेला ही है तो G must be this. Now very simple, GONE. So G is this, O is star, N is triangle, E is square. So this should be your answer. In case same order is not there as one of the option, you have to choose the option which has all these four symbols. Simple. So students, how interesting this topic is. So you need to practice, then you will enjoy it more and more. Okay students, with this we are through with this first 3 subtopics of code. I will come up with another video for rest 2 lessons. Okay. If you like my video, don't forget to share it with your friends. And yes, if still you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified as soon as I upload a new video. Okay students, study well and most importantly enjoy studying. Bye.